Today I am reviewing the MSI Titan 18HX AI gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the Intel Ultra 9-285HX processor. This is Intel's top-tier mobile chip, designed to deliver desktop-class power in a portable form. Whether you're gaming at ultra settings, editing 8K videos, running AI-based applications, or even doing all three at once, this CPU doesn't break a sweat. It's built for multitasking at extreme levels, and with AI-powered optimization, it intelligently balances performance and efficiency based on your workload. That means you get the most power when you need it and extended battery life when you don't. Paired with that CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU. Yes, you heard that right, the RTX 5090. This is currently the most powerful mobile graphics card on the market, offering ray tracing, DLSS 3.5, and next-gen AI rendering that can push 4K gaming to new levels. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, Red Dead Redemption 2, and Microsoft Flight Simulator will run smoother than ever with jaw-dropping realism and frame rates that used to be possible only on high-end desktops. This laptop is a beast when it comes to gaming, and even more so if you're into VR, 3D rendering, or machine learning workloads. Now let's talk about memory and storage. The MSI Titan 18HX comes with a whopping 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. That's not just future-proof, it's total overkill in the best possible way. You'll never have to worry about closing apps or tabs again. You can run multiple VMs, stream in 4K, keep over 100 Chrome tabs open, or render videos in Adobe Premiere all at once. And this machine will still fly. And storage? You're getting 6 terabytes of blazing fast NVMe SSD storage. Not only does that mean instant load times, faster boot-ups, and quicker transfers, it also means you have enough space for hundreds of games, 4K videos, or massive creative projects. It's like carrying a high-performance workstation and a media server in your backpack. But performance alone isn't what makes this laptop special. One of its standout features is the 18-inch Mini LED 4K UHD Plus display. This screen is nothing short of stunning. With a 120Hz refresh rate, you get ultra-smooth visuals, perfect for competitive gamers. But the real magic comes from the Mini LED technology and wide color gamut. It delivers punchy colors, deep blacks, and insane brightness levels. Whether you're watching HDR movies, editing photos, or gaming, the visuals are top tier. The design of the Titan 18HX also lives up to its name. It's bold, premium, and unmistakably high-end. The cooling system is incredibly efficient, using advanced thermal modules to keep things running cool even under full load. This is essential, especially for a machine with such high-performance components. Connectivity is another strong point. You get the latest Thunderbolt 5 ports, offering ultra-fast data transfers and support for multiple 4K displays or even external GPUs. And with Wi-Fi 7, you're not just ready for the future, you're already there. Streaming ultra-high-definition content, large file downloads, cloud gaming, it all happens instantly. You can finally say goodbye to buffering and slow connections. It runs on Windows 11 Pro, which means better performance for professional users and business environments, enhanced security, and productivity-focused features. Whether you're a remote worker, a business owner, or a creative professional, this OS gives you the tools you need. Also worth mentioning is the AI-enhanced performance and power management system. The laptop intelligently adjusts performance, fan speeds, and thermal output depending on the workload. You don't have to lift a finger. It works in the background to ensure you're always getting the best balance between performance and efficiency. To sum it up, the MSI Titan 18HX AI is a no-compromise, premium gaming and productivity laptop that goes all in on everything: CPU, GPU, memory, storage, display, connectivity, and design. It's meant for serious users who don't want to settle. Whether you're a professional gamer, 3D artist, filmmaker, or just someone who wants the absolute best portable experience available today, this machine delivers. It's not just a laptop, it's a desktop replacement, a creative studio, and a gaming monster all in one. If you're someone who values raw performance, cutting-edge display quality, and future-proof specs, the Titan 18HX AI is a top-tier investment. It's built to power your passion and take your productivity, creativity, and entertainment to the next level.